Already got all posts in, as you can see. 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 As you can see.
Good morning, everyone. Monday morning. Oof, it's been bad with storms and snow. Haven't got rid of Eunice. Now we've got another one, Frederick, whatever it's called. I don't know. There's been that many lately. I've never known anything like it. But anyway, we must crack on. So my guys are just sort of half a day back up the airport job this morning, finishing the timber knee-high fencing. Then we've got to get 2 schools done this week. We've got some mesh and some gates at a school in Bradford, and then we've got to go over to Royd School over the other side of Leeds, do some steel palisade repair that's all leaning over. It's probably twice as bad now with the winds we've had lately, but this has been booked in for a few months. We did half of it in the last holidays, and then we're going to finish this half in these holidays. So a lot to do this week, so stay with us and we'll try to get through it. Thank you.
Good morning, happy Monday. We're just busy already this morning. So me and Jamie have just come back to a job, timber job that we completed last week. Customers just asked us just to fill a gap. It's not as standard, but we have come back as she's asked so nicely. As you can see, the gap isn't too bad. If you can barely hear me, it's absolutely crazy windy out here today. So the gap, literally just at the side where the fence is. So we're just going to fill it in. Just so there's no gaps, no one can see in at all. Then we said we'd just pop by this morning, get it done, and then we're going to go meet the other lads up at the airport. If you've seen the video, you'll know that it were absolutely crazy last Friday. We couldn't finish the job with the wind what was going on. Meant to be a storm and blue skies, sun's out. You know, if it's bad, normal places you can imagine in a nice big open spot like the airport, it was not workable, let's put it that way. So we're going to do this morning, go and meet the lads, get the airport job finished off, and then we've got a few gates to install this afternoon. Hopefully we get it all done, hopefully no one gets hit by a tree today, and yeah, all looking good. So we've just got here at Leeds Bradford Airport to finish the timber job off. First thing when we got here, one of the holes is completely flooded, so we're going to have to clear that out first and then crack on with the other side. But as you can see what they did, where they got to on Friday before the weather got too bad, and they literally, if you look at last week's video, they were literally, as they were putting this in, they were following them with the concrete, putting it in. So as you can see, small wooden barrier. One's going to be exactly the same as this at the other side as well, going down. Have a look at this for starting morning. So they've got to contend with this. So once they empty that, they'll then crack on with this side. But yeah, it's not the best of starts. You usually, you know, you get to a site, you just want to crack on and, you know, start putting posts in. So they're going to have to clear that hole, and then once they've finished that side off, they'll finish this side off, and then hopefully we have time to finish the jobs off to this afternoon as well. Hopefully the sky stays nice and blue like it does over there, not like this above us. We can only hope. But I'll keep you updated. We'll be popping back this afternoon. Good morning. So we're just over in Shipley on Leeds Road doing a timber job, installing some timber pails. About 30 odd metres to do, and I'll show you what we'll be replacing and taking away. Replacing this up here. It's that bit there. And then lads are just down here already cracking on with the other side. Already started putting posts in down this side. A tight gap, I won't go down.
Bit more baguettes.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm going to be going on that far side and following it all the way down to the end of the wall. So, 2-day job. As you can see, that's where we are, and as you can see, they're just laying out the posts. As you can see, it goes all the way down to the end there. All they're looking to do now is we've got a patch up at the top, what they're already cracking on with. As you can see, you already done posts up here?
Yep.
What? Already got all posts in, as you can see. But yeah, hopefully they'll get some rails on today, make it a nice easy job for them tomorrow. Obviously we'll be out and about tomorrow as well. We'll show you what we're on with and how we're getting on. And yeah, jobs are good, and I'm gonna get back. I've got a few more things to do before the day's over for me, and we will see you tomorrow, guys. See you later.
Another happy customer. Little top bit we've done up here, bit of an extra, but a lot of trouble with wind damage, so I've got it sorted for them.
Good afternoon. It's fine Monday, now the sun's shining. We just got down to Horton Grange Primary School, just off Leeds Road. We're just going to be installing some mesh and some gates. I believe there's 3 gates in total to install. I believe later on, either tomorrow or the day after, we're installing some 1.2 roll top mesh as well. But I'll just show you what they're doing and how they're going to be doing it. So we're going to be following this yellow line to this post here. It's going to have a double leaf gate and a single gate, followed with a bit of mesh. Here Charlie's just cracking on, and he's got Mark up there showing lads where the other single gate's going. As you can see, already got the gates down. As you can see, we're going to be fitting some exactly the same as that, 1.2 high roll top mesh, and it's going to be following the existing line, and it's going to be going all the way to the end. Weather stays nice, but apparently this Thursday is going to be snowing and all sorts. So as you can see, it's just going to be a double gate, quite big double gates as well, and then single gate.
So, hello there. The sun's actually shining, can you believe? After the weather we've had the last 2-3 weeks, it's been an absolute nightmare, but nice day today up in West Yorkshire. As you can see, we've done a few jobs this week. We finally got finished at the airport. The weather up there were atrocious, with winds, rain, you name it, we had it there, but anyway, we've got it done. Clients are really happy. That car park can open soon. Then we've done a few timber repairs. I think the lads have got some footage of that, of installing a new paling fence, and then they've actually been up Teesside today to do a repair. We don't normally go that far, but for a good customer. And then this afternoon they're actually repairing a gate for a community centre over in Leeds that the wagon's backed into. The poor lassie's struggling to close it, so gone the extra mile for them there. As you can see, the sun is nicely shining, and oh yes, forgot to add, we've got loads of post mix if anybody wants any. Let me know, got some great prices on that minute. And don't forget, we've obviously still got loads of mesh fencing in stock, loads and loads of it, all behind me here. So yeah, that's another great week here at Airedale Fencing, and we'll catch you again soon. Thank you.